Hello guys, this is Marius from Flip and Diecast, and today we're going to have a look at this Hot Wheels Team Transport 1961 Chevy Impala with the 1972 Chevy Ram truck. Corner is a little bit dinged up, but that's fine. So this is number 54 out of the Team Transport lineup. Then you got the car dart right here, the truck in the car with the racetrack background. It's pretty nice. So on the back of the packaging, you can see the other free vehicles or Team Transport of the Hot Wheels U-Mix. So we got the this one, which we have right now. Then we got the Rover and the Hot Wheels Rally Hauler, which we will review later. And the Alfa Romeo, that one's the most popular of this mix. I don't really have any spares to review, but maybe I'll have some later. So yeah, let's get right to it. Okay, so we're gonna take a look at the car first. So this is the car, 1961 Chevy Impala. It's a pretty cool release. The livery reminds me a lot of the Hot Wheels Vintage Racing lineup, for those of you that remember what that is. It's got this old school feel to it, like the color, like this pastel blue with the red, and the whole livery kind of makes me think of like these, you know, 60s, 70s race cars, like kind of like NASCARs, like stock cars, right? So it's pretty nice. The wheels they're white, also in this kind of, I'm not sure if I can call them steelies, but that's what they feel like to me. So yeah, on the side's written El Segundo Chevrolet. Then it's written Holly, and down there, I'm not too sure. Probably Bell. 61, 409 cubic inch. And the front, we got ourselves the headlight, the little emblem on here. And what I think that's pretty nice is because the base is metal, like that, the front end, like the metal bumper and the grille is all metal, just like the real thing. It adds a pretty nice touch. You can see the interior as well. It's not too bad. So yeah, that's about it for this one. So we'll be moving on to the truck. Okay, so this is the truck. It's a 1972 Chevy Ram truck, and I'm a pretty big fan of this release. It's a new casting, and on top of that, it's a licensed model as well. So Hot Wheels Team Transports its trucks, they're usually not licensed, but this one is. There is another one actually. It's a Ford C800, but that's about it. So it's nice to have a second licensed truck to the mix. And you can see the configuration of a Ram truck. I think that in the future Hot Wheels may be able to change that, because you can see this is a Ram configuration, but I'm sure they can add a flatbed attached to the same cab if they wanted to, or something else. So yeah, the wheels are pretty nice. They got some pretty meaty tires on them, some nice classic 5 spokes. The cab is in red with this off-white stripe on the side, and some basic details as well. So you got the chrome grille, chrome bumper, the license plate in front, the emblems, the lights, etc. And yeah, towards the back here, we've got this red stripe going through. The mold of the ramp itself has a few storage compartments. On the side, you can see right there. On the back, you can see the tail lights and the license plate. In the middle, there's moldings for these 2 pieces, which I can only assume is probably the ramp to load the car onto the truck. So let's put the car and the truck together, since it is a duo, I guess. So you can put it like this, or you can also put the car in the other way, whichever your preference is. So yeah, comment down below what you guys think about this Hot Wheels Team Transport. I think it's one of the better ones they've done recently. I think it's a very cool combo to have this 70s truck and this 60s race car. Kind of feels like a 70s track day. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this Hot Wheels Team Transport, it is available on my website, flipanddiecast.com. Link will be in bio and in the pinned comments as well. And I also carry other Hot Wheels premium products and more. So that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, this is Marius from Flip and Diecast out.